yo, that's a boy.
Hello and welcome. According to people's opinion, this is the list with the most richest countries in Africa. Now, according to this list, some are saying that Nigeria is the poorest country and bad government, according to them. But another one saying here, Google says South Africa is actually #1 richest country in Africa. Marafede. I don't know what it means, but there's another one saying Algeria become #3 with 360 and 34, that is billion, following by Egypt with 3 billion and 80. South Africa become #1 with 403 according to his list. But another one known as KE said, anytime you all want to talk about Nigeria, just remember on our worst day, our economy is 3 times the size of most African country, and he is it there. According to the list, which is the best and the richest country according to you? Comment there below.